Post-pandemic, a solitary Devon gunsmith decided to change the way he worked and to feature his work on YouTube, showing how easy it is to work with a minimal of tools in a country cottage, providing a service that's low cost and good quality to his clients. All the work done is to the best standards possible. Working on antiques as well as modern guns, publishing this information on YouTube, providing content to thousands of viewers. I hope you like the channel. Please join me on our journey on Devongunsmith Diaries.